This is the S&P 500 SPDR ETF SPY one-day reading for September 10th, 2024. It's currently July 15th, 2024, 7:28 p.m. Eastern Time. SPY at the time of this reading, $561.53. That's USD. The shuffle video for the July 10th or the September 10th reading was created on June 27th, 2024 at 11:31 p.m. Eastern Time. The overall theme and behavior for SPY is a period of volatility with a sharp drop that'll stand out in that period of volatility. Behavior around the highest high, we have the disappointment card. So it's a nullified high card, indicating that whatever the behavior is into the high, it'll be like counteracted. Behavior around the lowest low, we have a decline that ends with a fast sudden move higher, creating the decline, creating the low. I'm advised to trade around bearish price swings and or a sharp drop on a one-day chart scale. Cross-reading congruencies here imply that there's going to be quite a bit of price change, like a wide range between the high and the low for the day. Now, we're going to get into the hour-by-hour chart behavior, as well as timing the highs, the lows, and the best trade opportunities. But before we do that, I just want to make sure you're aware. The whole purpose of the channel is to transmute some of the competitive energy of the stock market into goodwill. And we do that by following the rule of karma for the channel. It's a threefold agreement between the universe and anybody utilizing this information for personal gain. Nothing wrong with gaining from this information as long as you are simultaneously helping other people. So the way that you do that is you go to our website, Tarot for Traders, to the resources tab. 5% of all profits should be donated forward to one of these charities here. Just click a link and donate. It's super easy. And 5% of the profit should be donated back to the channel through one of these links. If you're international, you can use the app Wise. It's reliable, or you can use crypto. There's a ton of different QR codes for crypto donations. It leaves you at 90%. That's way more than a stockbroker would ever leave you with. With that said, guys, make sure to follow through on that rule of karma. As long as you do that, the universe considers you an angel investor of the channel. It's going to set it back to you tenfold for following through. Blessings to all my angel investors. Let's get back into it. So we opened lower in the pre-market and the decline continues. Their decline continues into the open. At the open, there's some sort of sharp behavior that's intended to make us do the wrong thing. It probably makes us look like we're going to go lower, kind of like make people fearful, but we do have a turnaround there, a pop and drop in the first half hour roughly. That's followed by, after the drop between roughly 10 and 11, we have a rally that offers opportunity to open up a short or close along before it turns over, declining back down to a support level between roughly 11 and 12, probably closer to 11, but a support level there. Within a period of sideways rotation, there's a sharp drop that'll stand out, and we revisit probably whatever kind of support we fake break through to the downside right around the open. So we probably revisit it there. Matter of fact, there's a trade opportunity in there, like a quick day trade, where in the midst of this rally here around 10 to 11, you could open up a short and then close the short when we revisit lows from the open. When we revisit them somewhere between, I mean, it could be between 11 and 1, but I'm thinking closer to 11, probably within 11 to 12. There's a fast sudden move higher midday between roughly 12 and 1. That fast sudden move higher is likely off of the month's low, which is being revisited here. That fast sudden move higher continues into a sideways fluctuating rally between roughly 1 and 2 that is preceded by a sharp decline. So off of a high, looks like we have a high for the day there. It could just be a really prominent peak, but I think it's probably a high for the day there just after like 1:30, and we decline pretty notably into a trough. There's an important technical price level highlighted, important on like a 1 month scale minimum that's highlighted between 2 and 3, and a lot of price change there. So there's a sharp drop off of that high. Wow, there's a lot of price change here, a lot of price change to the upside here before the sharp drop. If there's better opportunity here at the end of the day, or if there's better opportunity to open up a short here, like just after 1:30, I would do that there, like add to the short there with a lot of price change there at the end of the day into the low. Multiple failed attempts to break through key resistance at the close, and then another low in the post market. So we declined probably a little bit in the post market, but there's a notable move to the upside out of that low. Preview for the 11th, we have a rally that's halted by a decline through key support on a one-day chart scale. And that's SPY for September 10th, 2024. Let me know what you think by hitting that like button. As always, make sure to follow that rule of karma. You know where to go, you know what to do. Blessings to all my angel investors. I'll see you guys on the next one.